Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pop-up ads on WordPress. First, you will need to choose a robust pop-up plugin. Many excellent options exist, offering features like intuitive drag-and-drop builders and hundreds of pre-designed templates. It is crucial to select a plugin that is lightweight and performs well, ensuring your website speed remains optimal. This foundational step sets the stage for creating effective and engaging. Next, focus on designing your pop-up to be both attractive and effective. Your pop-up should align with your brand's visual identity, using consistent colors and fonts. A clear call to action, perhaps with a contrasting button color, is essential to guide visitors. Remember to make your pop-up mobile-friendly, ensuring it looks great and functions perfectly on smaller screens, which is vital for over 50% of web traffic. To load your game, first place the Resident Evil 4 ISO or CSO file into an easily accessible folder on your device. Open the PPSSPP emulator and use the Load or Games tab to navigate to that folder. Once you see the game icon, simply tap or click it to start playing. The default controls are usually displayed, but you can customize them in the settings. Finally, it is essential to monitor and optimize your pop-up campaigns. Most quality plugins offer built-in analytics to track performance metrics, such as conversion rates and views. Implement a /B testing to experiment with different headlines, images, or calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. By analyzing this data and making iterative improvements, you can significantly boost your pop-up's effectiveness and achieve your marketing goals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.